Today we're subtracting 3-digit numbers using ones, tens and hundreds, and we'll still use our K-pop notes to keep track. The regrouping rule is the same. If the top number in a column is too small to subtract, regroup 1 from the next column to the left and turn it into 10 of the smaller note. Remember, 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equals 10, which is why we can regroup. 10 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is otherwise 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So let's go through our first example, 463 minus 287. Remember, 463 minus 287 is very different to 287 minus 463. We are taking away from this number, therefore it must be on the top. So we've got 463 minus 287. And we're going to organise everything in our columns. I have 3 ones and I need to take away 7, so I don't have enough. So I need to change this 10. I'm going to put the 10 here and take 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This means that what's here is going to look very different. There are no longer 6 tens, there are 5. And now there are 13 ones. So 13 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, 5 minus 8, I don't have enough again. So I'm going to take 100 and I'm going to swap it for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Otherwise, 9 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And this means that I no longer have 4 100s, I have 3, and I now have 15 tens. I'm going to take 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 100s minus 2 leaves me with 1. So the answer is 176. Now it's your turn. Try 532 minus 268, 704 minus 389, and 821 minus 457. Pause the video and then head back, and we'll go through the answers. So we have 532 minus 268. We have 2 ones, there's not enough there. So we're going to take one of these 10s and change it into ones and regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That one I took 2 of them, but I'm just checking. Yep. So now we actually have 12 ones, but we only have 2 10s. I'm going to take 8 away from there. You probably know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which leaves us with 4. And we have 2 10s, but we need to take away 6. So we need to take one of the hundreds away. And we need to change it. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we have 12 10s. We only have 4 hundreds. I'm going to take away 6. You probably know that. Let's count it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 2 times 6 is 12, right? Put 6 here. And 4 minus 2, take the 2 away, and that leaves us with 2. So now we're going to look over 704 minus 389. We won't have 4, but we want to minus 9, that's not enough. So we normally look in the tens column, there's nothing here. And even though there's nothing, there is the digit 0 in the place value to mark there's nothing. So we have to jump to the hundreds. And we need to take 100, which means that we're leaving 6 hundreds here. And we need to change this into 10 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, I could write 10 tens, but I'm automatically, or straight away even, going to take one of the tens away. So that I'm going to actually write 9, because one of these tens is getting ready to become 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the ones column. So now I've got 14. I want to take away 9. So I'm counting for 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4. And 9 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaves me with 1. And you already know, probably, 6 minus 3, 1, 2, 3 is 3, because 2 times 3 is 6. 3, 1, 5. Now I'm going to do 821 minus 457. So we've only got 1 1. So we know that's not enough. So we're going to go to the tens column, change it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means that there's now 1 tens and 11 ones. 1 10 and 11 ones. So take away 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That leaves me with 4. I've got 1 10. I need to take away 5. That's not enough. I'm going to take one of my hundreds, which makes that 7. And I'm going to bring in 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Otherwise 10, 20, up to 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I've got 11 here now. And I want to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should leave me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you've got 7 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put it here. And 1, 2, 3. So that's 364. If you carefully regrouped from hundreds to tens and tens to ones, whenever the top number is too small, you've nailed 3-digit regrouping subtraction. You can look at the down at the links below to look at the full playlist and get more resources.